Good morning! Good morning, Kali! Good morning, Kali. Baho! We're doing mukbang. Mukbang? Beef stew. Na, nag-asura mong balay. Kami lang tatlo dito, guys. Kasi sila Ma'am and Belle is nagpunta sa appointment si Ma'am. So, dinala ni Belle. So, ito na lang last. Ayan, oh. Beef stew. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba to. Parang nag-mukbang ba, kung baga. Mukbang. Korean, ano yon? Yung ganon. Oh. Ito, yung asawa ko gustong-gusto to, guys. Okay, healthy person na daw siya. Nag-healthy living na daw siya eh. Beef. Masarap kasi to, guys. Masarap din to, ah. Actually, kahit asin and ano lang ang ilalagay, yung pepper. Masarap na rin. Anyway, ang ingay ng ating vent. But I think that's good enough. Maybe luto na yan. I think yung asawa ko, mas prefer niya yung may nagdugo-dugo pag gamay ba. Ay, yuck. Sing a song. She's wearing Ma'am Jury's PG pajamas na binigay, guys, na igo. Ma'am Jury's, thank you so much. Buksan ko yung aming door kasi yung usok, guys. Ay, nako. Wala man si Daddy. Very windy outside. Ooh, windy. Okay lang yan, guys. Wala pa man si Daddy. So, hindi pa namin nagamit ang ating grill, guys. Baka gagamitin natin to tomorrow. Let's see. Binili talaga ni Daddy yan. Kasi, I don't know. Daddy had it last night. So anyway, yan. Cleaning time, Friday. Last day. Next week, school ulit. What? Huy.
Pero kung makakita sa mga akin ko,
But you still miss your friends though. You don't like going to school, but you still miss your friends. Guys, nahirapan ako mag-chopstick. Diba? When Anne and I went to Japanese restaurant in Ozami City, nagtatawanan kami kasi hindi kami marunong mag-chopstick ba. This is just a funny thing because this is not really something that I used to do. Anyway, let's try this one. It's so good. Baka hindi na tumabuto na asawa ko. Hindi na, tulungan nagsilig. So, yes, you can map the floor. How about this big one? She's gonna teach me daw how to play chess. Kay di man ko kabaluan eh. I don't know how. And then my other... And Nicole gave me this book. Kay magbasa daw ko first of book. So I will learn how to play. Oh no. What do you mean? Gigna ni mo siya nga kuan? Pakano na?
What do you mean embarrassing tayo?
So, dapat same og position. Like the horse, like that. The horse.
Shutdown is midnight tonight.
So, diri ang dako. So, the queen and the king.
Chuck Schumer is backing down
Okay,
on his
first,
fight to block
okay.
Trump's agenda,
Mumove kasi
handing the
pa.
president.
Kakatapos ko ng maligo, alas 5 na, my gosh. Sobrang, sa labas. Like, mainit. Like, it feels like it's 3 p.m. Because, dito nga is, they are doing, ano bang tawag na ito? Sila guys, forward ng time. May term na eh. Hindi ko maalala, pero sabi ng asawa ko. Merong sinabi yung asawa ko tungkol about sa time na ito. Anyway, I will just like do something. Say something, actually. So, I'll be sitting right here to say something about the last video that I posted, yung birthday ng anak ko. So, meron kasing nag-comment doon about hugs and kiss. Well, actually, hindi ko siya dinelete, pero may dalawang nag-comment na dinelete ko. So, if you're watching this, I'm not saying this to say negative things against you, because I know siguro typical or iba-iba tayo ng race or iba-iba tayo ng pagpapalaki. But then, kung saan ako lumaki guys, sa Pinas, in my culture or maybe sa pamilya namin, hindi kami pinalaki na parang, I don't know, it's just like I think in our side, hindi kami ma-hugs and ma-kiss. So I think, wag niyong sabihin sa anak ko yung in a negative way, oy bakit hindi nagganon, oy bakit, kasi hindi nga namin siya parang kinalakihan na term. Alam ko like maybe some of you like you were expecting na gawin namin siya because yung culture nila dito is ganyan or like ganito, but then hindi nga kami pinalaki na ganon. But then I'm not saying na hindi ko tinuturuan yung kids. I think they still feel awkward this time kasi yung si mom is kaka-move nga lang here last December. So yung mga bata, hindi talaga sila like lumaki with her or na-meet her, hindi siya na-meet like years or hindi siya na-meet ng matagal. So parang for them na parang hindi pa rin ganun like close. Hindi ko siya ma-explain ng maayos, but I just wanted you to know na even na ganito kami, like we are different, like I said, inexplain ko na to kay mom before. Inexplain ko na sa kanya, inexplain ko na sa husband ko about it. And they were just saying it was fine. And it's just a little annoying to hear from people na parang ini-educate ako as a mother na, uy, turuan mo naman yung anak mo. Like, I don't know if you said it that way, but that's how I read it. Like, parang you teach me to teach my kids to do this way, kind of. So, I was like, hey, yung mga anak ko, I taught them things, okay? But, again, this part of like hugs and kiss, hindi yan part sa culture kung saan kami lumaki. So, I know, I think there are two Filipinas yun eh. I'm sure Filipinas siguro like they are here na sa US ng matagal. Just wanted to let you know na I know na siguro nakasanayan yun na yung mga hugs and kiss. But we are still, you know, like we are here in the USA not a long time. Like 8-9 months pa lang kami andito. We're still like trying to blend in our lifestyle and everything. So, don't think na parang like you na kami. You know what I mean? And then, etong isa, like sabi niya, kiss. Sobrang awkward. Honestly, hindi kami ganon. Like hugs, okay lang yung hugs for me, honestly. Kasi hugs is like a friendly hugs or family hugs. Yeah, but yung kiss, like, how you ba? Yung smack siguro. Yung sinasabi nila, hindi kami like ganon. Sorry, hindi ako I cannot be plastic person. Hindi ako hindi ako makapag-explain na Tagalog. Hindi ako magpapa-plastic to like show everybody here in YouTube na, hey, yung mga ganon. Kasi hindi ako ganon. And then, but it doesn't mean na hindi ko ni-raise yung mga anak ko in a good way. So, stop na kayo sa mga ganon guys kasi nakaka-annoy siya basahin. Honestly, hindi ako yung siguro maapektuhan, but kasi yung mama ko, I'm sure, nagwa-watch yun ng video, nagre-read yun ng comments. So, please lang, if wala kayong masasabing magaganda, just skip watching. Alis pala kami ngayon guys. Punta kaming Lowe's ulit kasi bibili siya ng kaniyang plywood and then mag-install or maglalagay siya yung, meron siyang, how do you call that one, babe? Another punching bag? The one that
yeah, it's just a different style.
Different style. Yeah, meron siyang nabili. Last year pa yun dumating and hindi niya in-install doon sa kabila. So, dito niya i-install yan. Nakikita niyo naman yan, guys. Last na vlog ko sa garage, I think, a month ago. Hindi ako nag-video doon masyado. But, right now, our garage is way cleaner or parang more spacious na siya kasi nga
Less cluttered.
yeah, less cluttered kasi nilabas na namin yung mga boxes or mga stuffs kasi we got storage.
It's still cluttered, just less.
last na lang kasi. But it will be more kasi every time we go out or every time we drove like the post office or store, sometimes if wala lang yung mga kids, we brought some stuffs in the car para lang malagay namin sa storage. So, yun yung mga ginagawa namin. And hindi ko alam, bibili daw siya ng plywood today. Gusto ko talagang bumili ng plants. Ang dami kong plano, honestly, itong backyard namin. Kasi sinabi ko na to nung nakaraan na, I want flower. If only Texas is like Philippines na pwede kang manghingi sa kapitbahay ng flower plants, yung mga ganon. Ay, ang dami ko ng plants dito, guys. Ang problema, here in the USA, you have to buy. Bibilhin mo siya, so walang free. And then, at the same time, may mga nakikita akong flower bed sa Lowe's and things like that. Ang mahal niya. Nung nakaraan nagpunta kami, $80 yung nakikita ko. Or like, meron natang 50 pero maliit. And if you wanted to have more plants and flowers, and if you need flower pit, you have to buy bigger version. Nakakaano pala dito. Hindi ko alam kung pwede kami mag-plant direct to the ground. Parang sabi niya parang hindi pwede. So, kailangan merong barrier. Tawag na para hindi ilalagpas sa kabilang bakod or sa kabilang fence yung soil mo or whatever. So, kailangan make sure na pag-plant mo dyan, secured yung soil mo, secured yung plants mo para hindi tayo makasagabal ng kabilang bahay. Galing ko na magtagalog. Anyway, hindi ko alam kung anong oras kami alis, but yeah, we're leaving.
You think I'm not sweet? I am sweet.
Di ba I'm sweet, babe?
Babe, no. Babe, tell them that I'm sweet.
Very sweet.
The sweetest. More than sugar, I'm telling you. Okay. We're not showing any sweet moments. Okay, it's very unpredictable moments. What number?
7, 8, 6 inches.
What? Huh?
90,
90.
89.
Kasi it's fine.
89 inches.
Di pa tapos yung asawa ko. Nag-ano pa siya, guys. Bibili daw siya ng plywood ba yung sinabi niya kanina. Kaya punta kaming Lowe's. Agoy, maghahanap na naman ako plants sa Lowe's. Yan lang naman lagi ko pinunta doon. We are home. Di ako nag-vlog kanina when we were in Lowe's, guys. Kasi I was like looking around. Kasi I love looking around. That's what I always love to do. I enjoyed window shopping. So anyway, when my husband went to get his things, like stuffs for his garage, yung binili niya is yung parang tabla. It's like, a wood for his punching bag again. Meron naman siya isang punching bag, but a different variety ba yan? Different type of punching bag na binili and then ihahang niya yan. So, bumili ako nito, guys. Biruin nyo to. Like this one, I don't know if white dove plant and peace lily are the same plant. Kasi parang similar sila. Nakita ko kasi yung mas malaki pa nito sa Lowe's kanina. And it was expensive. And actually, this piece of plant, mahal pa rin siya for me. But I just told myself na bibilhin ko lang siya. That's because I will just propagate ba? Padamihin ko na lang. Ako na lang magpadami. Marami naman to, guys. Ang dami niyang mga sanga-sanga here. So, ang gagawin ko lang is gagawa ako ng mother plant para basta isipak-sipak na lang ba? Yung ganun, para hindi lang ko bili ulit ng bili. Bili. Kasi mahal nga yung plants dito. This one, I got this one for like, $8.98. So like, $9 per just a small plant like this. A baby na plant, guys. So bukas, since gabi na, it's like 8:30, ililipat ko siya into bigger pots. So, mas magbo-bloom or lalaki siya more. So, for now, ilagay ko muna siya sa tabi, guys. Dito lang. So, nagre-research ako ng kung ano ang dapat gawin sa mga ganitong klaseng plant kasi hindi pala siya pwede na more sun. So, parang
indirect sunlight yung kailangan niya. Need niya ng light but indirect sunlight. So you know what I mean. And hindi siya pwede sa labas kasi pag too much exposed of sun, especially with above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, namamatay daw siya. O, diba? Ako na talaga yung nagre-research and everything for plants. Hindi naman ako ganito sa Pinas, guys. Hindi ako ganito sa Pinas because sa Pinas, unlimited yung flower and plants natin. Just saying that it's expensive to plant here. At bumili din ako ng fertilizer. Cute ng fertilizer nila, guys. Para pagpula of fish. Oh. I-open ko na rin to, guys. Kailangan naman tadiri. So, stop over kami kanina sa mailbox. Well, nag-stop over kami sa post office after Lowe's. Kaya in-expect namin yung SSN ni Yashi na dumating. Hindi pa rin dumating. Siya na lang talaga, guys. We need it. My husband need it. Kasi parang may taxes, whatever. Yung mga gano'n na. But, yeah, ni-research ko kanina. Ni-research ko kanina, sabi 14 days after the green card was released. Pero, siguro hindi ito makapagantay. It's Sunday today. It is March 16. Just got back from, church. Or actually, after church, we went to Sam's just to buy this food. Because we were thinking before, the last video that I was filming was 2 days ago ba yun? 2 nights ago. And we were doing grill in a small table grilling, whatever you call that one. And then my husband just surprised me with this big grilling thing. Nagpunta siyang Walmart. He went to Walmart without me knowing. Well, I know that. Pupunta siyang Walmart, but I didn't know that he buy this grill. Before that day pala, tumitingin-tingin na kami ng grill. But then, yeah, he came back and then like, surprise, I got you a big grill. So, since it's Sunday today, it's sunny outside, we wanted to try that grill. And we wanted to cook something. And I know this is something that we really miss in the Philippines because sa Pinas, guys, we have different yung tawag naman sa atin doon is barbecue, mga tinain ng manok, mga Betamax, as if meron yun sa bukid. Show your clothes. Like, OCD, hindi kasi ako nag-vlog kanina. Binili ko sa Shein ulit. I love
$100,
buying.
guys.
Huy! Di ba $100?
Spend your money.
7 naman ata niyo. Mugira kay ka. That's just, I think mga $7.
You have a lot of money in Japan.
Kiki ka. Uy, mabash dyan. Mabash dyan ani. But anyway, yeah. And then I got her a little half-inch na heels. Gusto ko kasi silang matry ba?
And bag.
And bag. Gusto ko silang matry na hindi like, I did not buy them yung grabe yung heels na habog, but I just half lang para try yung mga ganon. Anyway, nawala na tayo sa sinasabi ko. Anyway, yeah. So we're gonna try the grill, the big one, today. So, it's family day again and barbecue day. So, meron kami nitong brisket, chuck, beef burger. Ito yung gusto ng asawa ko kainin. So, I will be cooking all of this. Kasi sabi niya sa akin this morning, it's okay to grill all of this so he can have like food available in the refrigerator for the entire week. Okay lang sa kanya, guys, na i-grill lahat ng pagkain niya, tas i-reheat na lang daw niya. So, we'll do that today. And then we have this beef Angus too. We got this from Sam's kasi nga napunta kami sa Sam's kanina. And then we have bread. Hamburger. So, let's do this. Hindi pa kami nakakain ng lunch, guys. At anong oras na? Like 1:35 in the afternoon. And then, bumili din pala ako so yung ating conditioner. Wow, nagdali-dali. Okay. Yung conditioner na ginamit ko noon is Tresemme. So, I was like, I haven't, yeah, naman natin yan. Hindi pa ako nakakalahati sa conditioner na yon, and I was like, I'm gonna give that to the kids kasi sila na magtutuloy lang conditioner na yon. So, I'm trying to change my conditioner kasi nga naiinis ako sa scalp ko, guys. I don't know why I get dandruff. I just don't know. So I want to try this one, this new, this Nexus, if that's how you pronounce it correctly. So I want to try this one. I just hear that this brand is really good. but hopefully it's gonna work on me. And I got the conditioner. Yeah, because yung gamit ko na shampoo right now, I still have a big bottle of Head and Shoulder and I have to finish that one. I love Head and Shoulder, by the way. It helps. This time, I still have a little dandruff sa buhok ko, but then it helps. The Head and Shoulder helps better. Helps make my scalp better kasi unti-unting nawawala. Like before, sobrang dami talagang guys, dandruff ng hair. But now, like, nagka-less. And I got as well this one, pineapple, kasi, gosh, love ko talaga yung pineapple. I love pineapple. And also, ilang beses na ako nag-complain about my lips and everything. So, bumili na rin ako nito. I've been thinking about this for like a couple of weeks now, but I couldn't be able to find this in Sam's. But nakita ko siya kanina and I was like, I'm gonna grab that one na kaysa wala na naman ulit. So I'm gonna use this para sa ating lips kay laging nagda-dry yung lips ko, guys. Naiinis na nga ako eh. Why are you
Put the
looking?
lighter.
There. Draw the temperature outside.
No, it's like low 70s.
It's just sunny. That's all. Manig na nga eh. Hindi rin ako nakapag-vlog. Yes, hindi nga ako nag-vlog talaga. Kasi gusto ko mag-relax ba. Nagpunta kaming Lowe's. Ano ba mga ginagawa namin yesterday? Nagpunta kaming Lowe's. May binili naman akong laman, guys. Dalawa. Peace Lily at saka, ano bang tawag ng isa? Nakalimutan ko na. Mahirap siya banggitin. But that one, like, nang pumupunta akong Lowe's, I always look at that plant and I was like, I wanna get you. Pero, like, namamahalan ako ba? So, like, yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna get you. Kasi dalawa na lang yung naiwan. So, like, kukunin na kita. Kaysa naman mawala ka. So, kinuha ko na. Andyan siya. Para siyang, ano bang tawag? Pagaypay. Kung sa Bisaya. Mura siyang pagaypay, pero it's a different variety because the leaves is like dako. And then I found out in Google na this type of plant will grow big. Which is really good. It doesn't bear flower, but it is the leaves na murag baga jud ba. Okay. Anyway, parang ang messy na mga ano ko. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo, guys. Laneige. I'm not sure if I say it right. But this one, I heard from somebody na maganda daw to gamitin for lip mask. So sabi ko, bilhin ko na siya kasi I need it. Really. Malaki naman pala siya. So, which is good. So, it's a lip mask. Let's smell this one ko. Ay, mabango. Smells like strawberry. Yeah, it's berry. So, I wanna try. My sponge. Not sponge. Meron pa siyang parang spatula. Nakasama. Oh, cutie. Let's try this one. Try daw natin daw. Pero pang gabi, lip sleeping mask daw siya. Pero I just wanted to. Oh. You sure there's fire?
Yeah, it's already burning.
Diba? Nice talaga pag merong ano dito, guys.
Someday it'll go up.
Oh, so there's indication for
Yeah, for the
heat?
temperature inside.
Ooh. Wow. That's nice. You want some barbecue as well, Callie? You want some barbecue? You want to barbecue too? It's very sunny, pero hindi mainit. It's not hot. Huwag nyo nang tingnan yung aming guys. Sobra kagubot ang dami naming boxes na kailangan itapon. Tingnan nyo. Lahat ng boxes dyan, mostly itatapon namin. But since yung basura dito is Tuesday pa, yung dump truck ba pupunta. So, ayan, nagtambakan sila lahat. Pero sa Tuesday, wala na yan dyan. Ay, thank you Lord naman sa ating bagong grillings. Hindi siya yung sobrang laki na grills, but this is really enough.
Well, I'm waiting for this.
Alright. So,
Where's the bucket? Grease bucket
it's here. Not there.
with the liners.
So, lulutuin ko din to, guys. This is ground beef. Yung kalahati yung panaluto ko naman nakaraan. So, lulutuin natin siya para magamit na. At bibili ulit tayong bago. Healthy lifestyle na daw kami. Healthy lifestyle? Less na rice. Nicole! Come here, please. Come here, paglungag og rice, be. Oh my gosh. Really? Paaso, malini guys. Woo. So you have to close it all the time.
But it gives it that nice smoky
Juicy?
flavor.
Really?
Then it's hotter, so it's cooking.
The smoke is following. Wow. Oh, that's why it's better to grill Yuday burger because this is what we eat in the restaurant. That's very nice. Very cool. Oh, smoking hot. Wow. It's burger day, Sunday. Ay, ganito yung mga burger sa restaurant, guys. With a smoke effect and fire effect. This one is good. Magluluto ako ng fries para may fries din kasama. Kasi ang sarap ng burger, guys. The burger is so good. Can you like... 5? Ito, nakuha na may tubig ka daghan. Basta ilang na siyang alcohol. Oh. Gaya ko rin. Ang tubig sa ref ang gamito. Sorry na to, pagawa pagluto. Grabe yung lunga. Nakasimot daw siya sa barbecue niya. My husband is cooking outside. Nakasimot daw siya sa barbecue from the outside. Wow.
Be careful with these, not to overcook them.
Oh. Yeah. There you go. Ang healthy lifestyle na daw kunomi, guys. Kunyari ba? Atik-atik.
I need a clean plate for this.
Okay. Normal day. Kaon. Almost na cook to, guys. Pero hindi namin to kainin today kasi keep namin to sa ref.
That's why not.
Huh? That's why what? There's fries. Half mo ni ate. Okay, I'm not gonna eat fries, man. There's hot dog and hamburger. That's why Daddy said I'm retired.
Right. Nice.
What did you eat? What is this?
Who else wants a
Burger?
pickle?
I want pickle. I love. No, that's good. What do you have? Burger and fries. Ako ba ka nila?
Patay, gutom.
And we are? What is? Huh? I don't know. Nawala ako na-receive na akong dito.
You have?
Very nice.
your fault.
Very good.
You know what I have?
Yeah, let's eat. Kunyari dito ang mustard doon. Tapos gawin kayo. Sure.
Gambando na niya mong rice.
I'm not abandoning the rice.
I believe I'm cooking for no reason.
You're going to turn into a French fry. You need to eat something. When did the Civil War end?
1866? 1865. 1865.
1865 is correct.
Wow! $10 for you!
What month?
Bihara.
January?
Guessing.
What month did it start?
March.
I just said it earlier.
April.
April. It started April 1861.
And then it ended.
March.
April.
April.
1860.
1.
So that's 4 years.
That's right. It's 4 years.
Pwede namin mag-history. Daddy is smart one, so teach them with history of Texas and the USA. What? That's included in the US citizenship. Houston?
I thought Austin.
Austin? A-U-S-E-I-N? The Austin, the region?
I don't know.
What's the capital of Florida?
What's the capital?
Florida is another state.
What's the capital?
Like, for example, Philippines. The capital of Philippines is Manila.
It's a capital.
Capital city of the country. Mo pinaka-center.
Center.
What's the capital city of Misamis Occidental?
We don't have capital, babe, in Misamis.
You don't?
No, we don't have capital in Misamis Occidental. It's a province. But you say capital, you would say capital of the Philippines.
Provincial capital.
Provincial.
Waikata City. That's right.
You don't say capital, it's just provincial. Ano? Province. Province na siya. Nasa capital. Nangaway mo.
What's the capital of the United States?
DC, Washington, DC.
Washington, D.C.
Give me... Oh wait, now a question. I have one.
Wait, I have
What's the longest river in the United States? Ay, tama. Kali! I'm helping Bill sa kanyang garage, guys, kaya hindi ako napag-vlog. Ngayon lang ulit after to eat lunch. Kanina, oy! Nabuang mani ay, oy! Anyway, guys, hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na to sa inyo kanina. Makakita ko ba to? So, bumili kami ng seeds. Hindi ko alam kung seeds, kung seedling na itong sa loob ng plastic or ano. But, yeah, binili namin to nung napunta kaming Lowe's ni Bill. And then, gusto ko siyang itanim. And then, na-realize ko, kailangan ko pa pala siyang isidling ba? Ang tawag nito, ilagay sa maliit na cup before i-transfer sa malaki na pot. So, bubuktan natin siya. Again, $6 lang to, guys. So, very cheap. Sabi, meron 10. So, 10 plants. Let's try and see. First time kong magtatanim ng strawberry, honestly. So, hindi ko alam. Siguro, sobrang cute tignan pag meron tayong strawberry sa ating yard. Tingnan ko lang sa tingnan natin ang loob nitong plastic na to. Ooh, saan ba siya? Asan na yung strawberry? Parang wala naman ako nakikita ng strawberry. Yuta ang mahangitan. Mga yuta ang asan na yung strawberry na mga ano? Wala may strawberry. Asan na? Wala lagi sud. Ingon siya, meron daw 10 na strawberry. Parang wala naman tong laman. Kasi wala pa tayong formal na greenhouse. Hindi ko alam kung makakagawa ba kami ng greenhouse dito. I was thinking about, actually, my husband and I. But we have to read first the law or yung the HOA here on this subdivision, if allowed ba kami magka-greenhouse dito. We'll see. But anyway, earlier pinakita ko sa inyo yung taniman. But I realized sobrang baba niya. So I found this in the kitchen. I was like, I'm gonna use this one lang for now to plant this strawberry thing. I already washed it and I don't know kasi nakita ko siya and I was like, buhay ba to? I'm like, are you alive? Or maybe it just look like this. When it comes to strawberry, I'm like a little bit confused because I never planted strawberry in my life, but just today. So tingnan natin kung mabubuhay siya for $6. I'm sure this will be worth it. So I'm using this soil. We got this one from Walmart as well. Walmart naman. We got this one from Lowe's. Siguro itong pinagagawa ko, guys. Kung mali yung ginagawa ko, hindi ito matutubo. But I hope tutubo siya. What are you doing? What? Why are you hiding? Tingnan nyo, guys, yung room niya.
No, ayun pa akong
She rearranged her room. Why are you hiding? Mura ka upaw? Tingnan nyo, anak ko lang nag-arrange ng kanyang room. Gusto daw niya i-arrange yung kanyang room, guys. Hinayaan ko na. Nganong ang bag naman dira ang painting nawala? Anong nangyari? Hala, imong flower ba kay? Grabe, imong flower ka alive. Buhay pa rin hanggang ngayon. Mga ilang days na ba yung birthday? Diba? Hala, nagpagwapa din siya before mag-film. She's like, I want to be pretty before... Anong nagkaano mo diri, hoy? Sige na, pagkaon na mo. Ang ganiha, ang ikaw niyo ganiha. I'm gonna check daddy ko ano ginawa ni daddy. Hayag pa kayo sa gawas, guys. Like 7:40 in the evening, pero tingnan niyo sa labas. Oh. At yung kasi nag-back, tawag na ito? Nag-forward yung kanilang time ba? More than an hour. Meron kaming hindi pa tapos tong street na to, guys. Meron pang mga bahay dyan na tinatayo ba? Hindi pa na-complete yung street. Anyway, check natin yung asawa natin anong ginagawa. What are you doing? A symbol? Another? Set of...
Some of these mats had a different...
What color did you pick this time? Gray?
It's gray, black.
I thought you got red one.
I do, they're in that box.
Oh, I thought you didn't open it yet. Tingnan nyo, ang kakapal nito.
Some of them they have a tatami side and a smooth side. So some of them had tatami side up, some of them had smooth side up. So I decided I'd put the tatami side down because it's rougher, and so maybe it won't slide as much. And I think it'll be easier to pivot on the smooth side. So
Grabe investment
what you run
then.
into, it's kind of almost black, and then this is it's gray, but
Grabing investment,
it's
no?
like light black. I ordered black,
Ay, nako.
but
But it would be nice to
there'll
have
be
like...
differences from one box to another, like a different shade.
Yeah.
So this is kind of black, but it's a faded black, and that's a darker black.
Yeah.
It looks gray. but it's
This
more
is
like-
what we're working earlier. Nilagyan namin ng tubig. Tingnan nyo, puno yan ng tubig, guys. Ambot ani akong bana. Ay, sa kunsa na may hunahunaan. Grabe yung investment niya nito, guys. Itong mat pa lang, nako. Will be fine. Yeah. Touch it. Touch that one. Touch that one. We refill it with water, Daddy and I. Well, Daddy hold that one. Pero, that one, touch it. It's full of water. No.
Bago na eh.
Oh. How to punch?
Yeah, I shouldn't punch that one without gloves.
You need gloves, di ay. I thought you have to punch it with your bare hand. Oh. 2, 3. Ay, wala na igo. Pero yeah, you reach it, but you didn't.
Almost. Again.
Which one? Which here?
She got right there.
Oh, sige. You reach it before. Pero kanan, alam ko, sa
Go,
makanga.
Mama.
I do Chinese garter when I was in high
Go,
school.
go, go. Go,
What? You're not gonna join the party?
go, Mama. Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Di ba anak mo to? Pakog tayo. Di ba anak daddy kay?
Ako. Go, go.
Uy,
Anak iya. Anak iya. Ano? Tiga di siya ka-tumbling.
Wala.
Very ko flexible.
Ha?
I don't know. I don't know SWAT.
Swat. Para maligya ka kanang kuan photo. I'm gonna eat tali because I feel like I wanted to eat something and I realized meron pa pala kami. Hindi ko pa pala nabuksan tong ating watermelon. And kakain ako ng watermelon. I'm still full from earlier, nung lunchtime, guys. Parang napadami yung kain ko kanina. Sabi ko, hindi na ako kakain ng dinner. I'm not gonna eat dinner anymore. So let's eat fruit for now. And then I'll be watching my the series that I followed. Pinapanood namin yung kahapon, guys, sa Netflix. The title was When Life Gives You Tangerine. It's too sweet. Sweet. Try it. Bite lang. Very sweet, Jude. Dami, di ba? Good. You want one? Get it.
Kukuan din ako sa